Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Jadooi Math. I mean Magical Math. My name is Cheshta Keshri. I am 10 years old. This video is part 5. In my previous magical video, you have already learned multiplication of any number of digits using magic line. However, today's bit special. So, today we'll be discussing multiplication of any number with 9 series number. For example, this. And friends, we are going to solve in one line using in seconds using Vedic Math. In today's Jadoo, we would just see how to do multiplication in easy way with 9 series number, where number of digits in multiplier and multiplicand will be same. For example, here multiplier has 2 digits and multiplicand has also 2 digits. Same here. Now multiplier also has 3 digits and multiplicand also has 3 digits, etc. Jadoo secret. As always, before going to actual magic, I want to share today's Jadoo secret. The secret is magic part. So while applying today's magic, we will mainly look for two parts. First is left part, which means subtract 1 from multiplier. And second is right part, which means subtract left part reserved from multiplicand. Now, to write the answer of the question, just combine left and right part like this. Let's apply the Jadoo. For example, I took this question. This number is multiplier and this number is multiplicand. As per today's secret, I've written it first in form of magic part like this. Now, let's find out left and right part. So, left part means multiplier minus 1. So, 897 minus 1, that is 896. Now, right part means multiplicand minus left part reserved. So, 999 minus 896. So 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 8 is 1. So the answer is 103. That's it. Just replace left and right parts with value. So the answer is this. As said, done in one line. Here I have mentioned steps that we followed using magic part. Please go through it. For better understanding, I have shown some more example here where left part and right part of the question 1 are calculated as shown here. Same as for question 2 and question 3. Thanks for watching my video. I would like to request subscribe my channel and like my video, and please press the bell icon so you can get videos automatically for the future. And just in case if you have some doubts or question or tips for me, you can write in comments. And please solve below the questions using today's Jadoo. So stay home, stay safe, bye bye, see you next video.